everybody, Caleb here with Remax, and today we're in the community of West Hillhurst. Now this is arguably one of Calgary's hottest communities. It was actually annexed into the city in 1907. Most of the development didn't happen until about 1945 when it hosted several of the World War II veterans. So a lot of that history still stands today. It's extremely trendy. There's a ton of different shops and very niche markets and services. Now, the home or the area is very developed now, and so the home we're heading to is relatively new. It's a newer home on an older lot. I'm very excited to show you. Let's head on over there. Welcome, guys. Now, what I absolutely love about this home is as soon as you walk in, you get this bright, airy feel with the high ceilings, beautiful coffered ceilings in this room with the accented pillars. Currently used as an office, could be a dining room. Beautiful extra space here by the front entrance. Now, coming in, this is very, very open. You notice the granite countertops and beautiful, rich hardwood floors and cabinets, gas stove, built-in oven and microwave. Now, this is a great space for the family to eat. If you did want to use this as a bit of a breakfast nook table as well, that also works. And this obviously flows very nice into the living space, the gas fireplace. And there is a half bathroom here also with the granite countertops. And now this flows beautifully into the backyard. One thing I do love about corner lot in these areas is it just provides a little bit more privacy. You notice the aggregate stonework here. Very nicely landscaped. And a very, very large double garage. Good ceiling height, garage door height as well. Now the basement is fully developed as well, so there's almost 3,000 square feet of living space here. We also have the high ceilings down in the basement, a lot of very large windows. Bathroom, very similar tones as upstairs with the granite and the rich wood cabinetry. There's a lot of extra storage space in this home and a full bedroom down here. Great space for a teenager or maybe that guest. Now upstairs, of course, the laundry space. Two very large bedrooms. I just love this privacy and all the trees in these older areas. Another great sized bedroom, again with these excellent windows and placement. Now they would share this bathroom, again, very similar tones, so this home is very consistent. And just an incredible master suite, again with these really unique ceilings. These are curved here. A lot of room here, obviously fits a king bed, although there's a walk-in closet, still a lot of extra room for a dresser. The full ensuite, you notice the double vanities, large soaker tub, and just a beautiful standalone shower. The walk-in closet also has some great built-ins. Well, everybody, thank you so much for joining me on this tour today of this incredible infill home in the Kensington, West Hillhurst area. If you guys have any questions or would like to book a private viewing, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.